Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet daisy purse. I made 8 daisy crochet granny squares. The pattern is down below. The first part is going to show you how to make the granny square, and then the rest of the video I'm going to show you how to make the purse by attaching all the granny squares together. If this video is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link down below. There also are videos on how to do beginner stitches playlist. Okay, so let's get started.
In the magic ring, you're going to slip stitch into it and then work a chain 3. If this is your first time doing the magic ring, I have a link down below on how to do so. And then work 11 double crochet in the ring. So yarn over, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then complete until you have all 11 double crochet with the chain 3. Now you're going to pull it closed, slip stitch into that chain 3, okay, you're going to slip knot onto your hook, and then go into one of the double crochet, slip stitch into it, then you're going to chain 4, and then treble crochet 3 together. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and leave 2 loops on the hook, yarn over twice again, grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then you'll do that one more time, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you'll have the 4 on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through. You're going to chain 3 and then repeat yarn over. In the next stitch, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then do that for 3 more times because you don't have the chain 3, so you need to do it 3 more times. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. And then pull through all 5 loops on the hook. Then chain 3, and then repeat. You'll repeat this for a total of 12 petals. Then chain 3, repeat that all the way until you get back to the beginning. Now you're going to end with a chain 3 and then slip stitch into the beginning stitch and then fasten off. It's going to look like this. Make sure you have 12 petals. Now you're going to go into the chain 3 and slip stitch. You know, make sure you slip knot onto your hook, and then you're going to work a chain 3 and then double crochet twice. And then in the next chain space, you're going to work 3 double crochet. And then in this chain space, you're going to work a corner. So 3 double crochet. And then chain 2. And then 3 double crochet. You'll have 4 corners. So next you're going to work 3 double crochet 2 more times before your next corner, and then this is just all repeat. And then 3 double crochet. And then work your corner. 3 double crochet, chain 2. And then your chain 2, 3 double crochet.
Now just finish around with 3 double crochet twice in the space and then a corner until you get back to the beginning. Now fasten off and take your yarn needle and connect it into the chain 3 to complete. Now weave in your ends. To get started with this granny square purse, I'm going to make 8 daisy granny squares.
To make the purse, I'm going to take the front ends and place them together and then start single crocheting the ends together here. Okay, match your ends together and you have the space here so you can work 2 single crochet together. And then there's 3 stitches here, so you'll work your 3 single crochet. So work 1 single crochet in the next stitch and then into the next stitch here, and then you go right into this next stitch because there is no space there, and just work your single crochet across. When you get to the space, you can work 2 single crochet. Okay, at the end, work 2 single crochet in the space. It's going to look like this. You're going to take 2 more, have them face each other on the outside facing together like this. and then attach it to the chain space here and do 2 single crochet, and then work your single crochet in each stitch across until you get to the end, and make sure it matches. Okay, so you have these two together like this. It's going to look like this. And then you can fasten off right here. Crochet this across, but flip it over and meet the ends together. You can start with the 2 single crochet in the space. And you're going to want the back facing out when you single crochet across, so then it matches this side too. So single crochet across. Make sure you're matching all the stitches. So when you get to the corner here, there's a space. You're going to work 2 single crochet and then chain 1, and then in that space you're going to work 2 single crochet and then work your single crochet across in each stitch until you get to the end. When you get to the end, work your 2 single crochet. Okay, so you have the 2 sides together, and you're going to have the facing front part facing outward when you attach this for the purse part. And you're going to single crochet all the way around and leave the top open. I'm going to start with 2 single crochet in the space, single crochet until I get to the next space, work 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet until I get to the space, work 2 single crochet. I'm going to work 2 single crochet and then single crochet in each stitch until I get to the next space. Okay, now that I'm at the chain space, I'm going to work 2 single crochet and I'm going to chain 1 and then work 2 single crochet in the space. And then single crochet to the end. And then work your 2 single crochet in the space, and then you're going to work that around until you get to the other side. So here, here, and all the way up, and then leave the top open. Okay, I'm going to chain 3, and then on the top I'm going to work 2 double crochet in the space, and then work a double crochet in each stitch across. So you're going to work a double crochet in each stitch. You can work 2 in the space, then work it all the way around until you get to this chain 3. So I worked 2 double crochet here, and now I'm going to work 2 double crochet in this chain space, And then I'm going to work a double crochet in each stitch until I get to the chain space here. I'll work 2 and then 2 and then all the way until I get to the chain space, work 2, 2 and then double crochet. And now you can slip stitch into the chain 3. And to create a handle, you can work a chain and work that chain as long as you need for yourself all the way over to the other side we're going to attach. So I did 75, and on this opposite side I'm going to slip stitch. Make sure it's straight, it's not tangled. And then I'm going to single crochet onto the next side, and then I'm going to work a single crochet in each chain across to get to the other side. So do that until you get to the other side. Okay, and now to end, you're going to single crochet, and then you can fasten off and weave in your ends.
My Crochet Daisy Granny Square purse is complete. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and the pattern link is down below, and thank you for watching.